Hey everybody, good morning. How's it going? I've been part of this quite amazing global foundation class that's being live streamed from, I've got it on my computer over here, I'll just show you. It's being live streamed from Brazil. There's over 1,200 people live in the class, and then another 2,000 or so online. So it's the biggest access consciousness class so far. And I have to say, it's one of the best classes that I've participated in. The energy is just incredible. When you have that many people choosing greater possibilities and expansion, the energy is amazing. And because of the interconnectedness that is, every time we run clearings and clear people, or people clear their points of view, it's like millions and billions and trillions of people get cleared, even though it's only 3,000 people or so in the class. So it's really cool, really dynamic, exponential effects. And I'm just really grateful for the founder of Access, Gary Douglas, for having the vision and the dream and continuing to choose this every day going forward, never settling, never giving up, and always going for greater and greater and greater. So my question to you is, what is it that you dream about that you would love to have as a possibility, as your life, or in the world that maybe hasn't existed before, that is something that you would like to create and actualize? And are you allowing those creations to come into existence? Are you giving it the energy? Are you following through on that, or have you given up? I know for me, I had many dreams when I was younger about creating the life that I'm creating now, and I had definitely given up on a bunch of my dreams. And it was actually through some of the classes with Gary Douglas and some of the extra things that he created that really sparked the possibility again for me to choose to create and to never give up. So I wonder, what would it be like for you, and what is it that you need to hear or to perceive for you to not give up on the dreams that you have? What is possible for you that you might not think is possible? But if you choose and allow the possibilities, would actualize a totally different reality. So I keep looking over there to make sure that I'm not missing the class. It's been really awesome. I've been getting up at 4 in the morning because of the time change and watching it live with the thousands of other people. And yeah, if you get a chance. The new foundation that will be facilitated by people around the world is quite incredible. So if you've even taken one before, or if you've never taken one, the tools are amazing. So check it out if you're interested. And for now, let's just do a quick expanding exercise to start our week in the most expansive possible way. So lowering your barriers, tapping into the earth, saying hello, hello earth. We walk on you every day. What would it be like to walk with you. And expanding your awareness, your energy, the infinite being that you are, around your body, filling the room that you're in, and filling the city or town that you're in, the state or country, encompassing the entire planet, going beyond into the solar system and beyond. Space. Why do we ever contract it? Well, that's not the greatest question. What else is possible? What would it take to continually choose to be this space and greater at all times? Are you willing to let go of problems and upsets? Because if you're not, it's like you can't have the space and the problems at the same time. So what are you choosing? Space or problems? In my line of work as a jeweler, sometimes people bring in a piece of jewelry to be fixed or worked on, and oftentimes the chains are all tangled up and knotted together and it's super tight. And some people have a lot of difficulty taking out knots. I've always loved it. I don't know why. Maybe because I like space. But I always just create space in the knot. Create space, and then it just goes poof. And that's how it is with any of our problems, our issues, our difficulties. When we create space, all these other possibilities come into our awareness. You don't need to use your mind to figure it out. It just shows up, like all these possibilities get presented. And there's usually way more than one or a few. And then you get to choose this one, or this one, or that one, and what's going to create the life you'd like. What's going to create the solutions that would bring you joy and everybody else. And what if you just choosing to be space creates a change in the world around you? Just drink it in. Feels so good. Send some expansive energy and possibilities to each other, everybody in this group, everybody who will see this in the future. Let us contribute to whatever it is that you would like to create. Awesome. Oh, and there is a 3-day body class coming to San Francisco in, I think, a week and a half. Haris Amanovich from Slovenia. He's amazing. He's been all over the world, and this is his first time in the United States. So if you know anybody who would like some ease and peace and space with their body, please consider joining this class. It's going to be off the charts. All right, guys, I'll see you next week. The other class is about to start, so bye.